lovely people! Welcome to Kinyang. Today, get ready to fall head over heels with our newest collection, 16 loops, 4 tails, heart design, ribbon bow.
Perfect designs for this upcoming Valentine's Day.
So let's dive into the details. The ribbon bows features a heart design crafted in a delicate gold wire, adding an extra dash of elegance to your creations. Our ribbon bow has 16 loops, 1 knot, and 4 tails with a straight cut. It's got a perfect dimension too. When it's fully expanded, this is 33 by 113 centimeters. It's perfect for finishing touch for your gift, decors, or any products. Our 16 loops, 4 tails, heart design ribbon bow is perfect for sure. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the like button, share love, and subscribe for more delightful surprises. Until next time, bye!